Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rizky Islami Putra from Graduate Department of Environmental Engineering, Faculty of Civil Planning and Geoengineering, Institut Teknologi 10 November, Surabaya, Indonesia. I will present our research, life cycle assessment, or LCA, crude oil and natural gas process production, PT Pertamina Hulu Kalimantan Timur, daerah operasi bagian utara, or PHKT Dobu, by Rizky Islami Putra, Kekaranningrum, and R. Irwan Bagio Santoso. Outline this presentation are introduction, research objective, method, result and discussion, and conclusion. Introduction, from 2013 to 2018, energy consumption in Indonesia increased by an average of 3% every year, and oil and gas contribution for 125.2 million TOA of total energy consumption in Indonesia. PT Pertamina Hulu Kalimantan Timur, daerah operasi bagian utara, or PHKT Dobu, is an upstream oil and gas exploration and production company based in East Kalimantan. The extraction and production process of crude oil and natural gas, they do will produce pollutant that damage the environment. Fuel diesel combustion process in the generator unit and other process in the oil and gas industry product, among other carbon dioxide, methane, nitrogen oxide, sulfur oxide, and nitrogen dioxide gas emission, Selestiawati et al. 20 and 20. It is necessary to conduct an environmental impact study using the life cycle assessment methods based on the environmental impact caused by the crude oil and natural gas production process. LCA is a method for analyzing environmental impact across all stage product life process, Bruce et al. 20 and 2. It is possible to analyze the full value of the environmental impact resulting from the crude oil and natural gas production process by running an LCA study. Research objective to identify the most dominant environmental impact and to determine which operating unit for crude oil and natural gas production has the biggest impact. Method this research, the LCA is divided into 4 phases according to SNI ISO goal and scope definition, life cycle inventory, life cycle impact assessment and interpretation. Result and discussion for this research, goals and scope definition. The goal of this study is to identify the most dominant environmental impact and to determine which operating unit for crude oil and natural gas production has the biggest impact. The scope of this study is cradle to grave with the 3 product system, SA platform, Ataka platform, and Santan terminal. Functional unit used are per 1 ton of crude oil product and per 1 ton of natural gas product. Data used is from 1 year in 2020 and 20. Figure 1 shows the system boundaries for crude oil natural gas production process in PHKT Dobu. Next, life cycle inventory. Life cycle is LCE, is the input and output data for each process unit for each product, normalized against the primary product, crude oil and natural gas. Table 1 shows inventory data for both the production process of 1 ton crude oil and 1 ton of natural gas. Life cycle impact assessment classification. The elementary flow from the LCE is assigned to an impact category in the classification stage. For example, putting carbon dioxide emission into global warming. Oshield et al. 2018. The input and output data, which are elementary flow at the LCE phase, are the analyzed using recipe 20 and 16 hierarchy method based on the impact category. Figure 2 shows the classification of crude oil and natural gas production process. Life cycle impact assessment characterization based on table 2, it shows that at the characterization stage, natural gas production process greater scored impact that crude oil production process in 9 midpoint impact categories global warming, stratospheric ozone depletion, ozone formation, human health, fine particulate matter formation, ozone formation, terrestrial ecosystem, terrestrial acidification, marine desertification, land use, and fossil resource scarcity, as well as 3 categories of endpoint impact: human health, ecosystem quality, and resource scarcity. Life cycle impact assessment normalization based on table 3 at the stage of normalization. Crude oil and natural gas has the same greatest impact, which are on the impact category of fossil resource scarcity from raw material. Life cycle impact assessment, weighting and weighting or single score based on table 4 and figure 3. It shows that the weighting or single score of natural gas process product as impact with greater score than crude oil production process in 3 categories: endpoint impact and total impact score. Therefore, the production process of 1 ton of natural gas product as impact score of about 6.6 times or 60.59 pt. Interpretation: hotspot analysis crude oil production process based on figure 4 to simple the crude oil production process. The percentage of single score unit of the crude oil production process is not fully duplicated. Only the process unit with the largest single score percentage in existing process unit at STA platform, Ataka platform, and Santan terminal are duplicated. The largest single score percentage is found in crude oil gathering process unit and separation system process plant. This is due to the impact category of fossil resource scarcity, which is taken from the extraction of crude oil and natural gas from nature. The 2 process units are not designated as hotspot because the category of impact that come from the main raw materials from crude oil and natural gas product make it impossible to implement environmental program to reduce environmental impact. The next largest single score percentage is the process unit of the utility system Ataka platform and utility system terminal Santan. The 2 process units are not as hotspot because they are supporting facility for the crude oil production process, not directly related to the main product, and the available data cannot be described in detail for the activity in the 2 PES unit. The next largest single score percentage are water treatment system at 8.89%, Ataka PP shipping pump at 7.31%, and crude oil at 6.87%. Because 3 unit process come from the main process, it is designed as a hotspot and as recommended to undergo environmental program. Interpretation hotspot analysis natural gas process production process based on figure 5 to simple the natural gas production process. The percentage of single score unit of natural production process is not purely duplicated. Only unit process with the largest single score percentage or duplicated. The largest single score percentage for the 3 priority process unit is found in the compressor station, gas lift compressor, and second stage compressor. Because the 3 process units are derived from the main process, they are designated as hotspot and recommended to implement environmental program to reduce the value of the impact category. Conclusion for this research: environmental impact assessment with LCSO that the production process of 1 ton natural gas contribute a greater impact 60.59 pt that a production process of 1 ton crude oil with is 9.18 pt, with the most dominant environmental impact being fossil resource scarcity. In the crude oil production, the largest environmental impact contribution come from water treatment system, Ataka PP shipping pump, and crude heater process unit. In the natural gas production process, the largest environmental impact contribution come from the compressor station, gas lift compressor, and second stage compressor process unit. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.